Good morning. Welcome to the 2024 East and Southeast Asia UNESCO UNEVOC Network Consolidation Workshop. It is my great pleasure to meet you, all of you today. My name is HwaChoon Park. I'm the director of the Center for International Cooperation, Korea Research Institute for Vocational Education and Training. The main objectives of this workshop are to strengthen the network among UNEVOC centers in East and Southeast Asia, to share recent KRIVET policies, leadership, and practices, and to suggest and discuss further activities. To begin this workshop, Dr. Ko will deliver opening remarks. Dr. Ko became the president of KRIVET in March this year, and she served at KRIVET as a senior research fellow before. Dr. Ko served as a consultant in the World Bank in the field of workforce development. She also served as a member of the Evaluation and Advisory Panel to the Office for Government Policy Coordination and many other Korea government ministries, such as the Ministry of Employment and Labor, the Ministry of Gender Equality and Family, and she also served as a member of the Korean National Labor Relations Commission's Discrimination Redress Committee and a vice president of Korean Association for Policy Studies. She earned her PhD degree in Public Policies and Administration from Ewha Women's University in Korea. Please welcome Dr. Ko, the president of KRIVET.